Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a line graph. So you want to go to Graphs and Chart Builder. And if you get this little box, that's fine, just click OK. Now you can make stuff bigger here so you can see the variables better here. Alright, so you can make a whole variety of different figures, but we're going to make a line graph. So we're going to go to Line, and then we're going to click on this, which is a simple line graph. You can see, yeah, comes up, see, simple line. And we're going to double click on that. All right. And so we have our y-axis and then x-axis here. On the y-axis, we're going to put our dependent variable, which is prejudice toward feminists. And then on the x-axis, we're going to put our independent variable, which is political orientation. And you want to make sure that your statistic is set to mean. And you're done. That's it. And then you can paste and run, or I just hit OK. Sometimes because the syntax for this, if I paste it, can be quite long. That's not too bad. So we'll just highlight and run. And there it is. Now you want to make sure that your y-axis has appropriate minimum and maximum values here. So technically, I think the score is to range from 1 to 9. As you can see, it starts at 0 here, so that is very inappropriate. But we don't want to, we also don't want to, we'd also like to highlight the differences between the different groups, the significant differences. So if we make it 1 to 9, you can see that looks okay. We'll set the major increment to 1 though. There we go. So that's not too bad. But I like for the means, the lines themselves, to be set a little bit higher. And I would like to zoom in just a little bit more. So maybe I'll set the minimum to 3, or set the minimum to 1, make the maximum 7. There, that's a little bit better. Highlighting the differences between moderates and conservatives and liberals and conservatives here. Now you don't want to zoom in too much, so you don't want to do like 3 and say 6. And that just exaggerates the differences too much. So you want an appropriate minimum and maximum value here. And then you can copy special as image, and then you can copy and paste that into a PowerPoint or Word document, anything that you like.